Everyone, I'm Fox 10 News meteorologist Jennifer Lambers with a look at your forecast. And heading into today, another hot day is expected across the Gulf Coast. A heat advisory once again in effect. Feels like temperatures up to 110 up to 111 degrees. So in case you are making any plans for today, it's going to be hot. But talking about football, high school football is back. Our game of the week, Lipscomb at Saraland kickoff. Really expecting those temperatures to be around 91, but feeling more closer towards 100 degrees. Heat and humidity continuing by halftime, mid-80s. But feeling closer towards 90. If you're heading to this, your kids are, if they're on the team, if they're in band, even if grandma and grandpa are heading to this, make sure everyone is staying hydrated. Find some creative ways to cool down. Timing things out in our futurecast. Heading later on into this evening, we have about a 20% chance just to see some isolated showers and thunderstorms begin to push through. Highest potential this afternoon, plus also this evening, our inland spots by 10 and 11. Could see some of these thunderstorms begin to push in. Things will quiet down after midnight. And in case you are making any weekend plans, the Dauphin Street Beer Festival taking place tomorrow evening from 6 to 9 in downtown Mobile. Temperatures mid-90s when that event starts, feeling like 102. Even by the time it's wrapping up, mid-80s, still feeling warm. Stay hydrated. I'm talking water in between all of those events. Now, as we are tracking the tropics at this time, one area that we're really monitoring, and that's going to be coming off the Yucatan, possibly heading into next week. High chances of development over the next 7 days. Mainly we're monitoring beginning Monday for potentially moving to the northern Gulf by Wednesday into Thursday. Stay tuned to Fox 10. Still too early to talk about the specifics until we get that closed center low. But the next name is Idalia. It's the I-letter storm, but Idalia. And here's a look at one of our futurecast models. Here's the European. Like I said, this is just to get a general idea. We head further on into Monday. So this is going to be starting Monday next week. We head into Tuesday. Take a look closer towards Cozumel. It begins to move offshore, pushing into the southern Gulf, heading into Tuesday afternoon, and then getting a little bit more traction. Regardless, all models want to bring some sort of Gulf moisture up closer towards the Florida Peninsula, the Big Bend area, and then pushes it further inland by the time we get closer into Wednesday afternoon. So we're going to keep a close eye on this system, keep you updated right here on Fox 10. But do be cautious what you see on social media. Again, it needs to get that close center low before we can get a really good idea of what's going on with it. Here's a look at your full 7-day outlook. Staying hot heading into the weekend. Triple-digit daytime highs, 90s reappear by the time we make it into next week. But heat and humidity still sticking around. Have a great weekend.